An incredible, surreal experience being at the beach with you all.
It's cold, yeah, oddly refreshing.
He's riding the ocean. This is the most fun I've had in so long, dude. Go! What in the shorts?
We're going to the shore, bro.
I'm ready.
Hello?
So what's the plan, Gabe?
We are not on the way yet, but
Where are you going? That's the wrong way.
we have to get
You
Nigel.
look like a Pokeball.
Bro, I feel like a Pokeball. We're on Braille watch right now, okay? Nigel, you ready to go, brother?
Not really.
All right, we are here today. We're going to Half Moon Bay. We are gonna go skimboarding for the first time ever. I've never been skimboarding before. Uzi, you have. And Fetty, have you?
No, I've only been to the beach. It's enough times to count on my fingers.
Wow, on one hand or two hands?
This will probably be my second hand.
Wow. So we're going to Half Moon Bay right now. We're loading up the car. We got a boogie board and we have 3 skimboards that we just bought. We're gonna, yeah, you don't like the sand.
I don't like sand. If they can make a sandless beach, I'm in.
Just concrete beach.
No, that'd be worse.
AstroTurf.
No,
Or grass.
A grass beach.
Grass.
I'm in.
It's
Mud.
disgusting. So
Yeah,
we're gonna
mud
take you
beach.
guys on this journey with us. It's gonna be Fetty, Uzi, me, Carlos, and Nigel, and we're all gonna head out to Half
If
Moon
you
Bay
think
right
about
now
it, every
and
beach
take
has
you with
sand.
us. Do you guys want anything else? There's a mini ramp on the side of the road.
Somebody just threw it out on the side of the road.
like built there. It's
like an
actual like skatable mini ramp.
Scenic.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get everyone ready to go and head out.
Go ahead,
Carlos.
Look at this. Hey, look at this. Ah, get back there. Oh, you looking real nice back
there
there.
you go.
Damn, look at the legs, boy. And I thought I had chicken legs. Ooh.
He's over there chin-chilling.
We are going to a place that I belong.
The beach?
Oh, I thought we were going to West Virginia. I guess not. We're going on a Braille adventure.
Hey, I gotta go to Wells Fargo.
Have you guys seen Fetty in shorts?
I actually don't know if I've ever seen you in shorts.
This is a weird day. I don't know what's going on. What?
Me and Fetty, it's odd.
I got some chicken legs, but you got some chicken legs.
Let's get this show on the road.
Let's go, partner. I should probably put my seatbelt on.
Probably.
Braille bonding time, BBT.
So I thought to myself, it's summer. What kind of activities can we do at the beach? And then I thought boogie boarding. And then Uzi said, no, skimboarding. And I said, I don't even know what that is. Let's try it. So now we're going.
We're gonna turn the camera off. We're gonna drive on this road here for a very long time. And once we get there, we're gonna show you this beautiful beach that we're gonna be at. And that is it. Are you ready?
I've never been to this beach.
Neither have I.
Skateboarding, Nigel?
Shut your mouth. Yes, I have.
We are crossing the bay.
You didn't tell me there would be a bridge.
You know what's crazy?
Do you not like bridges, Dan?
Hate him.
Oh,
Wait, hold up. But
I always thought that this is the bridge that when I'm in the middle of it, it's just gonna start collapsing.
But I like this bridge the most because if it were to collapse, I feel like you have the most survivability.
No, I always think it's
there.
gonna collapse
Right
when
there.
you're up there.
No,
I don't
I-
think they can see this
the
from that
Bay
far
Bridge
away.
is 100% the most scary bridge.
Oh no, you can't even see it.
We're gonna stop talking about bridges now.
Have you been on the
We'll
old
see you guys
Antioch
later.
Bridge?
All right, Nigel Ryan Jones.
We are going into the forest of all forests right now.
We were in the urban part of the Bay Area. Then
Now
we
we're-
got to the bridge area of the Bay Area. Now we are
Now we're
heading
in
into the
forest.
forested area.
this.
It's amazing.
Look at this.
What kind of forest are you in if there's lions, tigers, and bears?
Lions,
What?
At the end of this forest in about 15 minutes, we will be in Half Moon Bay in the beach.
Check.
Oh, the forest is getting deeper,
Stop
brothers.
jumping on- When I see a dumpster, I just make fun of myself.
All right, we'll see you in Half Moon Bay, people. Why you go to a beach and leave your dog in the car?
At this point in time, I hope a shark eats me. I'm giving this to Gabe.
Hi.
Nigel, how's a shark gonna eat you if you're not going in the water?
I'm going deep in the water. I'm swimming out there. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
The beach?
We have made it.
So 70% of a human is made out of water, and like 70% of the earth is water, so we are one with the earth. We're related to the earth.
No, the ocean is just a bunch of humans.
We're swimming in human!
Hey, we're 40% continent.
The beach sucks! No!
Don't want to break it.
Jesus, dusted us all. Hey, let's take the plastic off here so we don't litter on the beach.
Oh, yeah, straight. Good call.
I'll watch you guys for a little bit.
I haven't done this in literally 2 years, so hopefully I still got it.
Fun fact, I've touched ocean water one time.
What? How?
From what I remember. There's pictures of me being in the ocean in like Bakwa, which is off of Trinidad.
I am cold sensitive though, I know that. Like if I get cold, it's like sucks so bad.
The cold.
Carlos is about to get hypothermia today.
Fort Drum has literally ruined cold for me.
Did it work?
No. Dude, that chicken is so hot, I forgot.
How you feeling right now,
I look
Nigel?
like I'm not ready to get in the water, and I'm probably gonna get in the water.
Yeah. Dude, you look like you're about to go crazy down there.
I'm warm.
If you want to get a parking pass, you can do it. I'm just clearing that up just in case.
Gabe, I literally just realized that I had an epiphany right now. I have not been to a beach in Bay Area since I was 2 years old.
Wait, look at that giant ship out there. What is that?
Titanic.
It's a shipwreck island.
No, it's moving. There is a ship right there.
I thought that was like a tree.
Oh, dude, those waves are nice today.
I mean, you don't hit the waves with these.
No, you can hit them with the boogie board.
You hit the stale water.
Hey, where's the boogie board at?
Well, we got the boogie board.
I'm not going that deep in, dude.
Make the pose. Wait, so much dust just blew in my eye. Oh, hey, pupper. Oh, hey, puppo.
Hello! Why do dogs love me?
Hey!
I don't get it.
Hey, puppo.
Because you got slides on.
Oh yeah, work it, baby. One more. Work it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Fetty. Oh, brother. I did slip down this last time I was here like 2 weeks ago. Here we go. What the dog? Why can we not take Carlos anywhere, man? Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is real nice.
I like it.
I wish we had a metal detector.
I have one in my house.
Oh, dang.
I should have brought it.
Ow, why is this sand hurt?
Yeah, brother. Come on,
brother.
stiffen up your feet,
got
white
the
man. I wonder if this is weird to people. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah, there's horses on this beach. Forgot to tell you guys.
What? This is different from Southern California sand. It's a little bit more rough.
Oh, there's no one over here.
Why don't we come here every day? Look how cool it looks.
It is nice. Right here, right here. This is the perfect spot. Put the blankets down.
Land ho, brother.
This is an incredible, surreal experience being at the beach with you all, and I hope you people are enjoying it as well. What are you doing? Oh! Oh, he's going! Oh, he's going!
Oh, brother! It's cold!
This is Crispy Nugget Beach.
Oh! Wait, Nigel! No! No! My phone! My phone has been sanded! How's that water feel?
It's cold? Yeah, oddly refreshing.
Oh! Woo! That is so cold! No, don't lose it!
I'm gonna fall, 100%.
My camera's gonna get destroyed, dude!
I wanted to challenge the ocean.
Ocean 1, Fetty 0. Yeah! Yeah, get it! Oh no!
Oh, what's that hurt so bad, dude?
Oh, this is the time, brother. This is the time.
Trying to ride the wave. Oh, run the wave, brother!
This is kind of hard.
Oh yeah! Uh-oh! Oh! There it is! Oh.
It's like Jumanji.
How do you do it when the water's not as deep?
Carlos, that wave was bigger than you, dude.
I did it though, you see that?
Yeah. Yes. Go!
It almost got me.
Yeah, Carlos!
I'm bleeding, bro.
Of course! Fetty is bleeding!
The sand is rough, brother.
Why are you always bleeding?
I'm going in uncharted territories.
Get in there, brother!
Go!
Get in there, brother!
No way!
It's time to come back to here, I remember. I got you right here.
Yeah, Uzi! Betty! Betty, the board! He's fighting the ocean. Go get him.
The ocean got him.
Why is Betty like this anywhere we take him? I can't film this. I don't want to get in the water, dude.
Had to do it to it. You know, the ocean ain't even tough. I handled it.
You're out there screaming at the thing for like 10 minutes straight.
Wow, this is the most fun I've had in so long, dude. I think this is like perfect weather for the beach.
Perfect weather.
We're gonna go get the long lens real quick. Man, look at you fools.
That shows some luxury recliner.
Carlos, man, what have you been doing?
Getting bodied as usual.
This is unlike anything I've ever seen.
Hey, this is life, brother. Hey, we're hard at work.
You guys are working real hard.
On our tans.
I'm gonna take a nap on the job, all right, man?
Now that I got the long lens out, y'all are done in the water.
Back to the water.
Back to the water.
Take me away.
You gotta just jump in there again.
I need my team.
Let's go, team! Full send, Dan!
Hey, it's the ocean.
It's the ocean! Get him!
Where's my Timbs, boy? I'm gonna get in that ocean. Get in there.
Get in there, Dan! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Go!
Why are you shaking?
Get him, Betty! Wait, what happened?
I don't know how to boogie.
I think you just float. Look.
Are you okay, Carlo?
I'm really not.
What happened here? Just gonna handle the Braille drop.
Let's go, Dan.
I'm a skimboarder. Here we go.
Oh, yeah!
I think I understand now.
Do it a little less deep.
Yeah!
I don't let the ocean take my skimboard. I take it from the ocean.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Body! Yeah, Dan!
I took a mouthful of ocean.
I think I want to try to make it over the next wave that's coming in.
You should.
I'm having a gay old time.
Just go faster, that's the key.
Yeah.
Nice. Call it out. Yeah. Oh!
It's hard to tell how far you're going because the water is going like with you.
You're still going really far though.
I'm a front flip over this
Wait,
way.
wait, wait.
Do it! Man, watch out!
That's how an Olympic athlete trains for swimming.
What are you doing? Push ups! Oh my god! Oh my god! I think the ocean got you on that one, brother.
Now I see why pirates wear eye patches.
Dude, what is he doing?
His waves are getting smaller, so he's basically out.
He can't keep going.
You heard of man versus wild. You ain't never heard of man versus ocean. I'll win. That takes a lot out of you. Oh, what an experience. I'm gonna go back in there for round 3. I took one round, he took one.
Down!
Oh!
This video is just maniac fights the ocean.
This crazy world out there.
Snake! This is Braille watch, brother.
You know, it's like if you fall, not only do you fall, but then it has, like the waves coming, have a piece of wood that's about to hit you.
You go on the boogie board, Dan?
Nah.
Wow. I don't know.
What you got?
Brilliant idea.
What?
Changing the game right now. Hold up.
What are you?
I'm changing the game, Gabe. Hold up. It's gonna work. You don't know. I made a jump.
Oh, here we go! Smooth.
Here we go. Come on.
These waves are getting kind of big.
Yeah, they're getting huge. I like it. I want to go somewhere where they have the super massive waves.
Maverick.
I've never seen that in like real life.
What are you doing? Is he saying go back to your home?
To your home.
How's it going?
Good, cold, good, cold, good.
Carlos, you're done?
That last one got me so good. Like, I'd really rather just skate the Braille drop than ever.
Dan, you haven't really had a good fall.
No, I had like one. I didn't get scraped though.
All right, well, that is a successful day. We literally just watched Fetty fight the ocean for approximately 45 minutes.
That was fun.
I don't know if we should call this video Braille Goes Skimboarding or Fetty Fights Mother Nature in the Ocean.
Man versus ocean.
Yes. Well, I think we're gonna call it a day here today at the beach in Half Moon Bay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click right here for some more videos that you guys will enjoy. Let us know in a comment below if you want to see us do more adventurous things like this. It is summertime. We want to go out and have a good time and show you guys that. So subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in tomorrow's video.
Whee!
Woo!